iniwan mo ako kanina eh.
Sir, basic kasi sir eh. Parang wala ka, binuhat namin ng take. Ang bigat-bigat, puro ka business first.
Nailabas ko na nga yung pambayad ko eh. Bigla kang nawala eh.
Sir, bigat-bigat, parang nagkamala. Sir, wala nang baguhan sir. Ay sir, nakabunot ka sir. Kaya nakapako dito. Ikaw po yata nga lang.
Ay!
Ano pangalan? What is the name of the vlog that you are vlogging about?
Madali lang, masubo ka dyan. English yan.
Wala ka dyan, Germany yan.
Yun, here's the sticker. Here's the sticker. Lifestyle with Ronald. You are what country?
Germany, I came from
Germany. Where's Alvin TV, German cat?
From Berlin? From Berlin?
No, Munich.
Munich?
Each one, each. Lifestyle with Ronald.
Yeah, okay, subscribe.
Have you taken